Some basic questions and answers in German. If you meet somebody in personally, you can ask these questions. Here, I am discussing the formal and informal type of the question. First one is wie heißen Sie? Informal form is wie heißt du? Which means what is your name? For example, ich heiße Robin. My name is Robin. Second one is wie alt sind Sie? Or wie alt bist du? Meaning is how old are you? For example, ich bin 22 Jahre alt. Ich bin 22 years old. Third one is woher kommen Sie? Or woher kommst du? Which means where are you from? Answer is ich komme aus Kerala. I am coming from Kerala. Fourth one is wo wohnen Sie? Or wo wohnst du? Which means where do you live? Answer ich wohne in Kochi. I live in Kochi. Fifth one is welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Or welche Sprachen sprichst du? Which means which languages do you speak? Answer ich spreche Malayalam, English und Deutsch. I speak Malayalam, English and German. Next one is was sind eure Hobbys? Or was sind deine Hobbys? Which means what are your hobbies? Answer meine Hobbys sind Musik hören und Bucher lesen. My hobbies are book reading and music listen. Seventh one is sind Sie verheiratet? Or bist du verheiratet? Which means do you married? If you are married, you can say ja, ich bin verheiratet. Or nein, ich bin nicht verheiratet. And the final one is haben Sie Kinder? Or hast du Kinder? Meaning is do you have children? Answer ja, ich habe Kinder. Yes, I have children.